Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis of the cryptocurrency market. Today is Friday, the 3rd of August 2018, and we are going to take a look at the Ethereum to US dollar chart on a daily time frame. We can see that since the high at around $800 here, $807 to be more specific, we got this downtrend that hit the level of 401 once, 401 for the second time, almost hit it for the third time, and right now, after the false breakout to the upside above this trend line, we can see that the market is trying to test this level again. So that would be the fourth attempt of the bears to break below this technical support. If the bears will be successful and they will break below it, then the next target for them is seen at the level of 367. Please notice that there is a building bullish divergence on the RSI indicator, which might suggest that after this breakout, if it occurs, we can expect some corrective pullback to the upside. Thank you very much for watching. Happy trading and see you next time. Bye bye.